In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Word document in Google Docs. If you have a Word file on your computer and want to edit it online, collaborate easily, or just keep a cloud copy, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish in a simple, reliable way. First, head to Google Docs in your web browser. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, create a new space to work by clicking Blank Document, or open any existing document you already have. This step just gets you into the Google Docs editor so you can access the menu options we need. At the top left, click File, then choose Open. This brings up the file picker where you can bring your Word file into Google Docs. In the window that appears, switch to the Upload tab, click Browse, and your computer's file window will open. Find your .doc or .docx file, select it, and click Open. Google Docs will upload the file and open it automatically. That's all there is to importing. You'll now be able to view and edit the content directly in Google Docs. Most formatting comes through cleanly. If you notice small differences, they're usually easy to adjust. The best part is that your work auto-saves as you go, so you won't lose changes. Let's talk about where this file lives now. The document is saved to your Google Drive, specifically under My Drive. If you want to keep things organized, you can move it into a folder later, but you don't have to do anything right now. Docs has already saved it for you. To rename the file, click the title at the top of the page, type a new name, and press Enter. That change updates immediately in Drive. Your original Word file on your computer stays as it is. The version in Google Docs is a separate cloud-based copy you can access from any device. When you're done editing and you want a Word version again, you can download it back to your computer. Click File, go to Download, and choose Microsoft Word docx. Google Docs will export your current document and save a copy to your computer, usually in your Downloads folder. This creates a fresh Word file with your latest changes so you can share it or open it in Microsoft Word as needed. And that's it. You've uploaded a Word file to Google Docs, edited it, and saved it back as a Word document. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.